Namaste, Sat Shri Akal, Assalamu alaikum, and good evening, friends. As you know, education is the most powerful weapon which you can use to change the world. I want to request you stay home, save lives, and follow lockdown rules. Introduction. My name is Navdeep Kaur. I am working as an assistant professor in CSE department. My hobbies are playing cricket, dancing, writing. One line always motivates me. Life is a movie. You are the director of your life. Don't live your life as other people expect. And my channel name is Powerful Weapon. Okay. Let's start topic. In previous video I have covered looping statements in shell program, and today's topic is conditional statements in shell program. As we already know, shell is an interface through which user can use operating system. And what is shell script or shell programming? Shell programming is a sequence of commands which can be executed by shell at any time. And today's topic is conditional statements in shell programming. We have three types of conditional statement. First one is if, second one is if else, and third one is if else. So let's start. First conditional statement is if statement. You can see the syntax. If expression. If expression is true, then it will print statement. If expression is false, it will not print any statement. Okay, now let's see this program by using simple if statement. We have two variables, a is 10 and b is 20. Now we will check this condition. If a is equal to b, it will print a is equal to b. Otherwise, it will not print any statement. Okay. And echo is used for printing in shell programming. Okay, let's do this program in Bash online editor. This editor is free of cost. You can try all your shell programs in this editor. Okay. Now click on run. You can see there is no any statement because a is not equal to b. It means this condition is false. Okay. Now make this condition true. When both values are equal, then this condition is true. Now this condition is true means a is equal to b. Now again run this program. You can see the output, a is equal to b, because this condition is true. So you can see syntax of if this condition is true, it will print statement, otherwise it will not print any statement. Okay. Second conditional statements is if else. Now syntax of if else. If expression, if this expression is true, it will print statement 1, else statement 2. Now again we can see this program. Now if this condition is true, it will print echo a is equal to b, otherwise it will print second statement, that is a is not equal to b. You can see this syntax again. If expression 1 is true, then statement 1, else statement 2. Now in if a is equal to b, then print a is equal to b, else a is not equal to b. Now let's do this program here. else, echo, A is not equal to B. Okay. Now let's run this program. Just wait. Else echo. Okay. Yes, you can see output A is not equal to B because value of A is 20, value of B is 10. So we will check this condition. Now this condition is not true. It means it will print else statement. Now third conditional statement, it's if else. Now you can see this syntax. If expression 1 is true, then print statement 1. Otherwise check next expression. If expression 2 is true, then print statement 3rd. Otherwise else statement 5. So we will cover this one program related to this statement, this conditional statement. So today we have covered conditional statements in shell programming. So be passionate, be creative. Let's make Technical India. Thank you so much for watching this video.